Hi guys, welcome to another CrafTangles product intro video, and today we'll be talking about the Varmala die. This creates a gatefold like a Varmala seam. So we have a couple who is sharing Varmala with each other, and it creates a gatefold kind of an effect. The die cutting machine over here I'm using is a sunlit die cutting machine. This is a large die cutting machine as compared to Cuttlebuck because this die will not fit in Cuttlebuck. So you will need anything which is big. So like a big shot machine, Vagabond, or even the machine that I am using works. So it cuts out the dies beautifully. So here you can see that all the details and the parts of the dies have cut out. So once I clean out all the details and the parts and detach the pieces, here is how they look. It also consists of the fold line on both the sides of the couple, which is the male and the female. So this fold is what will create the gatefold kind of an effect. Here I'll be sharing some of the samples of the projects that we have created using this die. All these projects tutorials will be shared soon on our social media and YouTube channel. If you want to know more details about this product, size, etc., I would suggest check the link in the description of this video which contains all the details.